In today's video, I will teach you how to generate a color palette from any photo using PicMonkey. Let's get started. Generating your own color palette is so easy using PicMonkey. To do this, go to picmonkey.com/colors/palette generator. Once the page is open, you will have a wide variety of color palette based on different themes and images. Here, you can choose from pastels, fall, blue, green, neon, pink, purple, warm, orange, gold, and sunset. Each theme has tons of color palette presets to choose from. But if you're not satisfied with the choices, you can simply upload your own image to generate a more unique color palette. However, this option is a premium feature, and you would have to upgrade your subscription to gain access to this feature. But using stock images to generate a unique color palette is a free feature. Simply type in the keyword of your choice, and you can choose from thousands of free stock images. To generate the palette, you can simply click the image of your choice, and PicMonkey will automatically analyze your image and pick the 5 main colors from your chosen image. If you scroll down, you can also see the details of each color, from its own name, RGB codes, and even the hex codes. If you click one of the colors, PicMonkey will give you more details. For example, let's choose this purple color. Now you have different options on how to pair up this specific color with other colors, from complementary to monochromatic. Apart from hex codes and RGB codes, PicMonkey will also provide you with HSL, HSV, and CMYK codes so that you can nail the exact color for color identification. If you're not sure if this color is the right shade, PicMonkey also provides you with the colors that are similar to the one that you chose. And each color has a hyperlink that takes you to the color as well as its precise details. If you scroll down further, you can explore more colors that are similar to the one that you chose. If you hover over one color, its name as well as hex code will automatically appear. And if you click it, it will redirect you to its own page containing every detail that you need. If you're still not satisfied, you can select the Explore More Colors option, and this will take you to a deeper dive into the color that you chose. And finally, to use the color palette, simply copy the hex code, go back to your project, click the element that you wish to recolor, go to the sidebar, select Change Colors, and right next to the eyedropper tool, paste the hex code on the text box. Now you know how to generate your own color palette in PicMonkey. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.